We have a 2018, I believe, guest collab with Wotherspoon, the Farmer Series, I believe that's what it was. Now these on the resale market go anywhere from $75 to $375. This one I got for 30 bucks. Why did I get it? Well, you can notice right in here, right, there's a little bleed from the red from when it was washed. And so I got it on eBay for cheap because essentially it was ruined. But I felt it was a perfect candidate for a little DIY stuff. So what I have here, bleach and water. Bleach. I filled the bleach up till about right there, water with the rest. I don't really know the ratio, but I know I just wanted bleach, so I'm gonna do a little spread, the front and back. So I'm gonna spray the whole thing, and I think it's gonna be even more interesting than the dope collab that it already was. So let's get it stopped. I've already wetted this. Those that know, before you bleach or tie-dye, well, yeah, bleach or tie-dye anything, it's always best to wet it. So we out here in the backyard on the bricks. It's got a little dirty because I wet it in the water hose, but let's see what we got. I'm just gonna do a little bleach there, bleach here. Let's see. Here. All down in here. Now it's bleached, and I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna let it sit here for a little while, then I'm gonna throw it in the washing machine, and then we'll see what we got. Now let's turn it over. Ignore all the dirt. God made dirt. Dirt don't hurt. Again, it's mostly wet, and we are going to bleach it. Always be sure to get any bleach on you because, you know, it'll turn your clothes. I really don't want to turn my Nike sweatpants red, but that's all set. All right, that is enough, I believe. So this is what we got. We'll check in later. Okay, I've let it set for about 15 minutes. Get it in the washing machine. Put one of those in there, a little Tide pack. Then we're gonna do a little quick wash on these right here. Quick wash. And we'll see you when it's all set. Okay, this is our final result. Now, only thing I didn't speak on, what I did do was that I let the bleach sit in there a little longer when it was in the washing machine before I started. So probably maybe an hour and a half, let the bleach sit in there from I sprayed it. So this is really what I wanted. Maybe, I don't think I probably should have sprayed as much on the guests and stuff like the guest lettering, but this is what I wanted, where, like, remember, it was already deformed with the, not deformed, but already messed up with the bleed from the red on there. So with the bleach spots here and the bleach spots here, I think this is a good look. I think this is a real good look. This is pretty much it. You know, this is exactly what I wanted, where, you know. Now, you said, how would I style this? Well, other than jeans, these up-tempo, from the up-tempo Euro pack, it's a match made in heaven. It doesn't get any better than this. You know, instant classic in my book. So that is it. We bleached a Guess Sean Wotherspoon sweatshirt. We're happy with the result. And over and out. Your boy's out of here. Get back at you next time.